Alexa, stop. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. What's to do more of like a vlog lifestyle situation. Basically, I am working from home at the moment, just like absolutely everybody else. Well, everybody who can work from home. And I have a little office space in my spare bedroom. I'm lucky enough to have a spare bedroom. But the problem is that it's gotten to the point where it was semi-permanent, and now I've been working from home for like 8 months, and now it's like becoming like a sort of permanent situation at the moment. I'm just going to be transforming my space a little bit just so I feel a little bit more productive, and also I just feel like nicer in my workspace. Yeah, ignore the mess in the background. Obviously all like the charity shops and tips and stuff are like crazy busy or closed at the moment, so that's where all of that needs to go. Anyway, so I'm going to take you along, but first I need to get some water because I think this is going to be a big job. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour, like a before, where my desk and my makeup table is. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour. When you walk in, there's like storage in that direction, and then there's obviously all of this. So I have my personal stuff here, and then obviously like my makeup here. So I have my makeup desk there, natural light and everything, and then I have this. As you can see, it doesn't really look right. This table is actually a table that I got on Gumtree a few days ago. It's like it is a table, but it's also classed as a desk. So it's a table desk. I need quite a lot of space because I have my laptop and my monitor, and then obviously I need room for like paper and everything like that. And I get in a situation where it's basically going to be like a L shape in the corner, and obviously I might try and like put something else on that wall because it's kind of ugly at the moment. So first job is to get all of this clear, which is gonna be fun. Also, how cute are my nails? Don't mind that one, it kind of came off, but it was just red like the other ones, but it's little Santas and a Christmas tree. Right, so the desk is all clear. As you can see, that's what I'm working with. I do think it would look a lot better once it's white. I need to start painting. I've basically just like shoved all of my stuff down here because it won't be affected by the painting. So yeah, basically I just need to put down a sheet. Just to let you know, the sheet is absolutely massive, and it's also been used like 10 times, so which is why it's so dirty. I'm not gonna lie, this probably would have been easier with 2 people, but I had to make do because I was home on my own. So I've pretty much covered everywhere I need to cover. Also put it over the printer. I decided to put it under my desk because it was kind of in the way. Now I'm just gonna wipe the table down. So I have decided to leave the table assembled, only because I think it would be like 10 times easier to do the legs, and because I'm not doing the bottom anyway because it'd be pointless because nobody will see it. And I'm gonna put my hair up. I literally found this so satisfying to watch, which is why I left it in, so you're welcome. Also here, the roller was obviously dried inside, so it ended up falling off, and I had to get another one, so I'm just throwing this one away. Just to know, obviously you can see I didn't sand the table down. I didn't have the equipment, but also it was literally £15 from Gumtree, and it was meant to be a relatively quick DIY. So the first coat is done. That actually only took about 20-25 minutes, something like that. But it's currently all grey, which is great. I don't actually know how long it takes to dry. So it just looks like that at the moment. This is the one that I've actually got. Pretty sure it's just from B&Q. Yeah, it's just the B&Q one. 2 hours. Okay. I suppose I'll check back with you. It may be tonight, may not be tonight, but I'm basically gonna do the second coat and then I'll come back when I start painting the white. Also, you can see the paint tray is now clean. The blue kind of flaked off when I washed the grit out of it. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely hated doing this first white coat. It went on so patchy, but it was a satin and usually that sort of paint is quite sticky, so this is why it kind of looks like crap. Again, because of the type of paint, these legs were a nightmare and I really wish I just would have rolled them from the start, which I did actually end up doing in the end on the second or third coat. This is the first coat of white, dry. As you can see, it's so patchy, but luckily the second and third coat fixed that. Right, it's now day 2. I did the primary coats yesterday and I also did one coat of the white at like 10 o'clock last night because it takes about 4 hours to dry. So I'm now going to do coat number 2, but my fiance is going to help me just to get it done quicker basically. Yay, we're on the second coat of white. It starts to not look like crap. Woo! I did do a third coat but I didn't film it. I'm sorry, but it kind of literally looked the same. So this is obviously after the third coat, let it dry. The next day again, just putting all my stuff back on it. I was just pretty much figuring out where I wanted everything, kind of just moving things around and seeing what looked best here. This is a few days later again. I had to wait for some Amazon orders, but this is basically just a laptop stand. So easy to assemble, so I'm not really sure why I had to look at the instructions. Then this little pad for my mouse and my keyboard so the white didn't get many stains, so where it's properly used. And this is the finished product. I also ended up putting some like printouts on the wall. I basically just printed them out on my own and I think it looks so much better. Yay! So it's actually a few days later now. I just wanted to make sure everything was as I wanted it because I had to order some stuff off Amazon and wait for that to arrive, etc. I'm really happy with how it turned out and I'm also really pleased that I actually ended up doing it properly because where I am right now, we're now actually in tier 3 until spring. So I think I'm going to be working from home for a long time yet. But if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!